All right, this was a clearance $3 rose this year that was all the way down here. I planted it in, this is really part shade. It doesn't get a lot of light as to why the light is growing that direction, trying to find a light. But I'm about to train this up as a tree and remove everything below since I have one main stem coming up. I really like these. These are easy to cut with. And I will use the cuttings and drop some of them in some water. I mean, in some rooting hormone stimulator. Down here wasn't going to flower anyways. Actually, the ones at the bottom, I'm going to lean down in the ground so I can get roots that way and put rocks on top of it. And then those will grow roots. So everything down here, I will lean in the ground. Yeah, and this is a double knockout rose that now I will have a standard. I want to remove all of those. Even, oh, not that one. Going sideways, side shoot. Yeah. And that's what it'll, hopefully it'll fill out up here and not anywhere else. Take that rose petal off. And then I'll eventually pop that off in a container. I'll take it out the ground when I find one. I have to find one for this baby. It's gonna look so beautiful next season. So when you look for a clearance plant, and I can remove all of these off, thorns, so it can heal. Yeah, those are the best ones to train up, because you don't mind losing part of the rose. So beautiful. I'll show you what it looked like when I stake those down. Here's the root ball. It's fairly tiny. And so, as you see, I have a red petite knockout rose. I'm going to fit it inside this hole in the center of this container. I got to digging out a hole. I'm going to use this pin to stake all 3 of these down. Now, you may ask why I'm staking these. All of this would die back come fall, become evergreens. When you do it this way, I'm not done, by the way, then you'll have new growth that will continue to grow. And so there'll be roses that will grow from here, and then I'll be able to cut them off. So now I'm going to remove everything around it. I'm going to scrape the stems and add some rooting hormone. And that's what it should look like. It's scraped back. All of this down here, excuse the leaf, is scraped. You can come through here and rub some more if you would like. Then you're going to place rooting hormone right on top of that. Don't need that much. Cut that down. I'm going to add some soil right on top of that and bury it in there. Just bury it. And then I'll just add some rocks or something on top as such. Decorate. Actually, I'll go get probably some black rock. Black rock will look better. This is one. And these are the other three down off in there. It's beautiful. But do that. That stake will hold that down. But the rock will remind you in case you forget that you have. There we have it. And then you'll start seeing new growth. I'll keep you all updated. But that's what it looks like right now. This will get thicker over time. And then I have another rose right here that is starting to give me some buds up in there. So I wanted two, excuse the garbage can. I wanted two roses on the side, but really one over there. I should have got a standard knockout, but I'll start looking for these on clearance, and this will be my goals to get more tree form rose bushes. All right, here's an oak leaf hydrangea. Let's check on it. It's down off in there, so as we can see, roots are growing on top, but it's buried down in there. I did this approximately 3 weeks ago, so we're gonna put that rock back there. And that was new growth down off in there that has come. So I'll leave that down there for some while. And I'll probably come in here and add some more root hormone. So if you have anything around your yard, you can test this method out. I may try with my ligustrums. Yeah, I'll try with that. And bury it down off in there next.